Mr. Obsolete here. Well, we've got more distressed trees to deal with. What we've got, actually, Mother Nature did a good job for us and took a bunch of this dead tree out. I've been putting off taking down because of the danger of it. So you can see the top piece in there and a big section of it here. And then if you come over here, you can go up the tree and see where it broke off. Okay, well, here's some of the tree bits and pieces that broke out. So we'll put on our eyes here. I'm going to measure this. This piece you can see broke off pretty good. There's probably another 5 to 8 feet above that. This is another little piece I found. So that one's 1.25 feet. It's 1.5 feet. That was 2 feet. That's 10 foot. That's 16 foot. Got to be careful walking on these slick logs on the ground. We'll get the saw warmed up and we'll be back. Okay, well, we're back. After measuring up the tree, we have 39 foot blew out of it. It's going to make it a whole lot easier taking it down. Now these branches that are under tension here, I'm going to cut those off here so I can start processing that. So. You can see these branches that had a little tension on them were kicking up, so you want to use a slow chain speed and very little tension on it with the saw. And cut it off without flipping back and getting it. This wood is really weird stuff. It's very springy and really hard to cut with a chainsaw. It has a tendency to pinch the bar real easily. Okay, I'll be back in a second. I'll be moving over here and we'll start cutting. Okay, well, we're ready to cut. I got to cut a few more branches back here under tension. I wonder why I'm using such a big saw today. Pro Mac 650 McCulloch. It's easy. It's closest to the door. cuts pretty easy. It's nice having that 28-inch long bar. Really makes it easy to cut good with. Get this out of the way and come back and start on the big pieces here. Well, we're back. Saw us ready to cut, but we thought we were going to get by without using an axe in the video. Wrong all. So we're going to be doing a little bit here. Here's a piece of the top of the tree. My eyes on here. This is a plum that I built for the neighbor. It's a fairly light axe. Cruiser's axe, narrow through here. He can't use it because of his shoulder problems, but so put it back in the stock of the rest of ours. So that's pretty good, even though it's got just a medium sharp edge on it. You can see the really big grain structure. The tree is still okay in the center, but you can see the rot in it out here and the bark. Anyway, Mother Nature did us a favor and helped take it down. Slick stuff here. Oh, we've got one branch here to take off. Just like that. Now this is lifted up on the end, on this end, so it's got tension on it, so when I cut it'll be trying to fall down. Put a wedge in there to keep it apart while I cut. But you have to cut it short here. It's starting to rain. Well, that's it for today. It is as best as usual. See you soon.